Okay, camera's zooming in. What do you think? What car is this? Oh, hi, sorry, I'm talking to myself. Acadian. Pontiac. Not a Nova. Canadian only, eh? Yeah, so this is an Acadian. It is the Pontiac version of the Chevy Nova. I'll show you some stuff that's cool. That's Acadian, it says. Of course, the Pontiac has the split in the bumper. You know, that seems to be typical. I don't know what he's got here. He's got a cage inside. And that motor looks like, it's got an air gap there. What do you call it? Probably an RPM air gap, maybe even bigger. But he's got a cage on it. Drag races it. You can see the roll bar in the back. Well, I know he does his burnouts because I've seen a lot of rubber there tucked in behind the bumper on the other side. Ooh, look at this beauty. Impala. You see that? A couple more cars coming in. Impala, probably 283. Got a Chevy S10. Look at that. Coming along here. Wow, doesn't that look good, eh? And then we got the Impala here. Wow, looks good. So anyway, there's another Nova, the real Nova SS. Beside the Acadian. Got another convertible. Oh, I need a convertible. You know, they all look good. I could stop and, okay, I could stop at all of these. A holiday. Is that Oldsmobile?
I've never heard of a
Wow.
J2.
Sorry, guys. Oldsmobile Holiday. Wow. And then right next, I've got another Olds here. 57 Oldsmobile Golden Coupe Rocket, 88 Holiday Coupe. Same car, right? Wow, check this out. What is this got a motor here? 371 cubic inch Rocket V8, 300 horse with a J2 package. 415 pounds torque at 4,200. Jet away 4-speed auto tranny. So this contains 3 2-barrels. See that? Let's have a look. Somewhere there's 3 2-barrels under this. Hey. Wow, does that ever look good? So this is Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? Good. Hi, buddy. Hi, I'll see you. So this would have been Oldsmobile version of their big bad boy engine and everything. Wow. Let's go behind. Let's take a look behind here. Wow. That's not nice. And then we got another Olds here. Cutlass. Oh, cool. Check this out. It's going to park there, but we'll take a look at the 64 Cutlass. Let's see, he's going to park her here. Ooh, she's a little bright in the sun there. We're looking into the sun when you go over the side. There we go. You see a little better. Wow. Germany. Canadian Army, Germany. According to the one plate. SJ52. Neat, eh? It's just loaded up with all the options there. So this is the F85. Sorry, I'm coming back here. Oh, and there goes the Regal that I was parked beside my car. The turbo. Okay, we got a nice Mustang leaving here. I just walked to the back. You get the light here. I got the light shining. The sunlight's on my back. Oh, we got another Mustang GT going away there. Hey, so let's check with this pickup truck here. Let me just fix my camera. Thump thump. There we go. Oh my God, he's got it. 1, 2 turbos. Holy moly. On a V8 trick flow heads, this thing looks like it could haul the mail. Wow, look at the interior, eh? Nice. Hey, you know, it's black. Black paint. When there's a lot, oh, it's, what is it, a 50? The black paint with the pollen, I tell you. You can't touch it. If you wipe your finger on there, that'll look really stupid. So it says twin T's, twin turbo, 53. Oh, here we go. Check this out. I mean, so much happening here, guys. Wow. Yeah, going back to this twin turbo job here. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Holy man. That looks great. Here's another one. What's he got here? Looks like an LS or something like that. Performance part engine. Misty 49. So I'm going to guess it's a 49. Camaro. Solstice. Clamshell hood there, isn't it neat? Convertible. Corvette, another Corvette, nice. Bel Air blue, look at this metallic paint on this, looks so good. Oh, I wanted to catch up to that, I think it's a DeSoto or Studebaker is leaving. Jeez, I gotta move here, guys. Before these nice cars leave, we gotta have a look-see at them. Well, Eliana's gonna be 7 and the other one just turned. Wow, this one looks so good. Interior, everything. Oh. Did I do the other side? Oh, you know what? I have to go